Beneath the waves, whiskers guide them to buried clams.
As the sun sinks low, they gather close, finding safety in sheer numbers.
In perfect unison, a pod of orcas breaks the surface of the Arctic waters.
Below, they hunt as one, predators built for strategy and speed.
Using waves as weapons, they master the art of the ice edge hunt.
In fading light, their movements become a dance of power and precision.
A single breach marks the end of the Arctic day, raw strength on full display.
From its vantage point, it sees what others cannot. With wings built for silence, the snowy owl floats across the frozen earth.
In a heartbeat, it descends, claiming prey hidden beneath the ice. Here, in the cold, a tender exchange ensures the next generation survives.
Each year, thousands of caribou journey across the Arctic in a monumental migration. With nimble hooves, it uncovers the precious lichens that sustain it. Its sweeping antlers rise like ancient trees against the Arctic wind. At day's end, the herd finds stillness beneath the vast Arctic sky. In the endless white, the Arctic wolf moves like a ghost, silent, elusive, and perfectly built for the cold. Born upon drifting ice, the harp seal pup begins life wrapped in a coat as white as winter itself. For the first fragile days, the mother stands guard, ever watchful for danger. Though clumsy at first, each small movement is a step toward independence.
With its first dive, a new chapter begins, learning to survive beneath the ice.
Across the frozen plains, the Arctic hare races with astonishing speed.
Against a backdrop of white, stillness becomes its greatest disguise. Beneath layers of ice, it searches for the tiny plants that sustain it.
Together, they endure the cold, proving that even small creatures thrive in the Arctic's harshest moments.
Across a drifting world of ice, the polar bear moves with the quiet confidence of a ruler shaped by the cold. With a single breath, this Arctic hunter reads the wind, searching for the faintest hint of prey hidden beneath the ice.
Here, patience becomes a weapon. Hours may pass before the frozen silence finally breaks.
In water cold enough to freeze flesh, the polar bear swims with powerful strokes, built for survival where few can endure.
As the Arctic sun melts into the horizon, mother and cub share a rare moment of warmth in a world sculpted by ice. Across the vast white desert, emperor penguins march with unwavering determination. In temperatures that fall below -50, a single egg becomes their most guarded treasure.
At the water's edge, they plunge into the depths, masters of flight beneath the waves.
Wrapped in winter white, the Arctic fox slips through the tundra like a living ghost.
At the den, family bonds offer warmth that even the Arctic cold cannot break.
Its ears are tuned to a hidden world beneath the snow.
Then, with breathtaking precision, it dives, striking exactly where its prey lies.
When the sun returns, its coat transforms, blending seamlessly with the summer earth. On floating islands of ice, Walruses rest in great, lumbering herds.
Their immense tusks serve as tools, part anchor, part weapon.
Despite their size, they slide into the water with surprising grace.
With bright plumage and a striking beak, the puffin brings color to the Arctic coast. Though small, it dives with power, using its wings like flippers beneath the waves.
These cliffs become bustling cities every summer, alive with sound and movement.
At day's end, it returns home, a tiny voyager in a vast northern world.
Elusive and relentless, the wolverine rules these frozen forests with fearless determination.
Sharp claws and unmatched endurance make it a master of rugged Arctic landscapes.
Living alone, surviving anywhere, this is nature's ultimate solitary warrior. In the cold northern seas, beluga whales drift like pale ghosts beneath the ice.
Known as the canaries of the sea, they communicate in a language of music. Strong family bonds guide them through shifting ice and long migrations. They navigate frozen labyrinths with remarkable memory and precision.
Playful and curious, they explore their world with gentle intelligence.